Ever dreamt of escaping to a world where time seems to stand still? Where honey-colored cottages line cobbled streets and rolling hills cradle sleepy villages untouched by the modern rush. Then pack your bags, because we're embarking on a journey through England's most charming countryside villages. Today we're unveiling the top 5 English villages you have to visit. Number 5, Shaftsbury Dorset. Perched atop a hill like a fairy tale queen, Shaftesbury's golden stone houses cascade down towards the Blackmoor Vale. Wander through its ancient streets, once trodden by monks and pilgrims, and discover secrets like the 12th century Shaftesbury Abbey ruins and the 15th century Gold Hill, a cobbled street lined with picture-perfect cottages. Shaftesbury is a timeless treasure waiting to be explored. Number 4, Bbery Gloustershire. Step into a watercolor painting. Bbery, nicknamed the prettiest village in England, is a vision of honey-colored stone cottages, babbling brooks, and blooming gardens. Take a gentle stroll along the River Combe, past Arlington Row, a row of weavers' cottages dating back to the 14th century. Bbery is a place to pause, breathe, and soak in the timeless charm. Number 3, Stathes, North Yorkshire. Clinging to the rugged cliffs of the North Yorkshire coast, Stathes is a village straight out of a pirate's dream. Narrow, winding streets weave between higgledy-piggledy cottages, leading down to a picture-perfect harbor bobbing with colorful fishing boats. Explore the rock pools at low tide, savor fresh seafood in a cozy pub, and breathe in the salty air. Stathes is a feast for the senses. Number 2, Grantchester, Cambridgeshire. Just a punt down the River Cam from bustling Cambridge, Grantchester offers a serene escape. Lush meadows fringed by willows meet the gentle river, while thatched cottages and a 14th century church whisper tales of the past. Follow the footsteps of poets like Rupert Brooke, who found inspiration in Grantchester's tranquil beauty. Rent a punt, sip afternoon tea in a riverside garden, and let the village's magic work its spell. And the number 1 picturesque English village is Combe, Wiltshire. Nestled in the Cotswolds area of outstanding natural beauty, Combe is a village so perfect it feels like a movie set. Honey-colored houses with mullioned windows line the main street, overlooked by the ruins of a 12th century castle. Wander through its quiet lanes, discover hidden tea rooms, and cross the medieval bridge over the River Bybrook. Combe is a timeless gem waiting to be discovered. So what are you waiting for? Ditch the city lights and embark on your own English village adventure. Remember to subscribe for more travel inspiration, and let me know in the comments below which village you'd love to visit first. So there you have our top 5 English villages. Want to visit? Please click the links in the description below. Until next time, happy travels, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more adventures. Until next time, happy travels.